In this video, I'm going to discuss addition and subtraction with regards to unequal denominators. So we're going to learn how to do sums such as this one, 1/2 plus 1/4. We're going to learn how to do differences such as 2/7 minus 1/14. All right. In order to do these problems, you need to already know how to find the least common denominator of two denominators, which is based on knowing what a least common multiple is, and also knowing how to convert fractions to equivalent fractions with different numbers. If any of those topics are unclear, please review the corresponding videos. Okay, so for the first problem, for the sum, I look at the two denominators, 2 and 4, and I see that the least common denominator is 4. So the second fraction already has a 4, so I'm just going to leave that one alone. The first fraction, the 1/2, in order to convert that to the equivalent fraction, I'm going to multiply the equivalent fraction with a denominator of 4. I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 2. And now it's no problem adding the fractions. So the answer is 3/4. Okay? Let's do the difference now. The least common denominator of 7 and 14 is 14. So I'm going to keep the second fraction untouched, unchanged. The first one, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 2. Now I can do the difference, so I get 3/14. Okay? Once again, in order to understand this, you need to know how to find least common denominators and equivalent fractions. All right? Let's close with having you do 2 exercises now. Would you please try to calculate 3/5 plus 2/15, as well as 7/8 minus 1/2, or in other words, 3/5 plus 2/15, and 7/8 minus 1/2. All right, pause the video and do those now if you like. All right, I'll go ahead and do these for you. So the first one, the least common denominator is 15. So I'm going to keep the second fraction unchanged, and I'm going to multiply the top and bottom of the first fraction by 3. All right, and so now I can add the fractions, and I get 11/15. All right. For the last one, the least common denominator of 8 and 2 is 8, so I'm going to leave the first one unchanged, convert the 1/2 to a 4/8, 4/8, and now I have 3/8 for the answer.